So today we're going to do the oil change on my brother Larney's car, the 2006 Fusion. And that is the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. So if you guys find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell. Okay, let's remove the oil cap and be careful you don't lose it or drop it in the engine. Check out the type of oil you need from your oil cap, 5W20. You can also pull up the dipstick, but you don't have to remove it all the way. And directly underneath it, you can see the oil pan, and right behind it is the oil pan bolt or plug. Now we're going to need a 13mm socket. Remember to remove it is lefty-loosey. Now you can unscrew it with your hand. Then quickly remove the plug out of the way. And of course have your container ready to catch the oil. So we're going to need a 6mm Allen key right here. To unscrew it, also lefty-loosey. Also be careful you don't drop it into the dirty oil pan catcher. Now you can install your oil plug back on. Now back at the oil filter. Once it's drained, clean it up and put it back in. So before we remove the filter and its holder, we're going to clean out the area well. Okay. And once again, to remove the filter, we'll take our tool, twist it lefty-loosey. Sometimes if the tool keeps slipping, try using duct tape around the filter and use the tool again. It's worked for me a couple of times. Now we clean the inside area. Then we can remove the rubber gasket with our tool. And install our new one, making sure it's properly seated. And here's the oil filter we use. We picked it up at Canadian Tire. Now we install the new filter. Make sure it's fully seated. And when you press down on it, you can feel that spring loaded. Just clean around the area, and now you're ready to install the filter. Same thing, twist it in righty-tighty. And always hand start the filter to make sure you do not cross thread. So notice it's not properly seated.
Okay, just wiggle it in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, good. There. All right.
There you go. It's much better.
You can't just hand tighten, yeah?
That's actually should be hand tightened. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're going to take the Allen key and give it a few more twists to properly tighten it. Alright, now ready to put your 5W20 oil in. And check your dipstick to make sure the oil is between min and max level. And ChatGPT says the 2006 Ford Fusion takes about 4.5 liters of oil.
Okay, turn it off again, turn it off. Okay, start up.
Alright, looks good guys, no leaks. Okay, if you guys like our video and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. Okay, car's still running good for 161,674 miles.